Hi, this is Caitlin, it's me. This is our product control valve. Yes, let's see more details about this one. VCI anti-rust bag, the label, the Shumatt logo. If you want other logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. The product code F00VC01357. Application model number 044511028298. 0451104001 QR code. 2 tabs, the packaging. Whole sides, by the coating on the valve cap. The valve roll, different size, different lengths. If you want other size, contact us, okay? Okay, that's all. Yes, if you want other sizes, please contact us. And that's product code. And 3 tips: clean it with oil. Make sure the valve cap in the right position. Make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. The warranty 6 months. Okay, that's all the details. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you, guys.